is in response to the statement that His Excellency, the Deputy President, Gachagua, said when he was in Embu at a function in a church. His Excellency said that he is a supporter of 1 vote, 1 man, 1 shilling. We want to tell him that we are in Kenya supporters of 1 man, 1 vote, 1 kilometer, and we have no apology to make at all. His statement is a very unfortunate statement because it is a continuation or an attempt at continuation of economic segregation of areas in this country that are arid and semi-arid. It is economic discrimination of areas in this country that are arid and semi-arid. And we are not in this country we are not apologizing for being in this country. We are not in this country by mistake. We are here and we are not going anywhere. And this policy has a background.